So guys, now that we set up our new project, we need to go to our hierarchy. Here, I'm going to right click UI and I'm going to use the image. And as you see, it is automatically going to make a canvas. And now what I'm going to do here at image, I'm going to call that image BG. So right now the image is becoming too far, and the reason is because our game is on free aspect. So I'm going to change it to 920 1080. If you don't have that, you can just click on here, add a new item, and giving here 1920 1080. So it at HD quality. So now as we see that the image becomes small, then I'm going to select on our canvas, and here instead of constant pixel size, because I want that the screen is changing depending on wherever is our image or our background. So I'm going to change it instead of constant pixel size to scale with screen size. That means if our skin is going to change to, for example, something else is also going to stretch our background. Here also 1920 1080. So now if I'm going to double click on our canvas, as you see, we have this image here. Okay, now I'm going to make this background big as the size of our camera. So now let's go to our game asset, the background. Now I'm going to put one of this background in our source image. Here we can change the image to something else. Now here I'm going to bring my game to this part so I can see in what our camera is going to show us. So here in the game mode we can see this background. So now next part I'm going to again canvas UI again and going to use Text Mesh Pro. And after that I'm going to import that Text Mesh Pro essentials. Take a little bit of time. After it's done, we can close it and we have this Text Mesh Pro that is in our scene. So that will be our, going to change it to gold text. Now I'm going to drag that gold text to the top left. Then I'm going to choose the rect tool and make it a little bit bigger. Then here I'm going to call it also gold. 995. Going to make it bold. I want it to be at the middle of our text, and also here the middle as well. Then change the font size a little bit big. Like that. So the next part we are going again to canvas UI, this time button Text Mesh Pro. And this button is going to help us to damage our enemy during the time. So now I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Maybe put it at 200 at 200 for now, and put it in downside around here. Now in the button I'm going to make a UI and another Text Mesh Pro, and I'm going to call it damage counter. This text is going to show us how many times we want to damage our enemy with this button. I'm going to put so x 10 or x 20 doesn't matter. So now I'm going to make it bold again at the middle of our text and make it a little bit big as well.